Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook canned black beans. First, let's get those beans ready. You'll want to rinse them really well under cold water for about 30 seconds to wash away any extra sodium and the canning liquid. Then, drain them completely using a colander. This simple step makes a big difference in flavor and texture, ensuring your beans are fresh and ready for your culinary creations. It's a quick and easy start to a delicious meal. Now, let's talk about making those beans burst with flavor. Start by sautéing some finely chopped garlic and onion in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they're fragrant and softened. Then, stir in your favorite spices like a half teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a pinch of smoked paprika. These aromatics and spices are the secret to transforming plain canned beans into a truly delicious side dish or main component. There are several fantastic ways to cook your seasoned black beans. For a classic approach, simmer them gently on the stovetop in a small amount of broth or water for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Alternatively, you can bake them in an oven-safe dish at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. For a crispy texture, try air frying them for 5 to 7 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, let's explore some delicious ways to enjoy your perfectly cooked black beans. They make an excellent side dish for almost any meal, adding protein and fiber. You can also easily incorporate them into tacos, burritos, or quesadillas for a satisfying and flavorful filling. Don't forget to garnish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, or a dollop of sour cream to elevate the taste even further. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.